will try to make this pulsating sphere in TouchDesigner, and let's start. First, you need to go to generators and then drag noise to the area. Next, we need a sphere. Double click, then go to sops and add a sphere. Next, we need an attribute create. Next, we need noise to make the pulsating sphere. Next, we'll add a null. Then we'll add a composite geometry. To display the geometry, we'll add a light and camera. And to render the geometry, we'll add a render top. So here we can see the pulsating sphere. The sphere right now looks a bit low resolution. So we'll go to sphere, then detail, and increase the rows and columns. Then if we want to rotate the sphere, we'll add a Python command to rotate. ABS time seconds. Now our sphere is rotating. Next we'll need to add a material to our sphere. We'll select a form and then drag and drop to the geometry. Now our sphere is a material. Next we need to add the texture to our sphere. So we'll add a constant chop. Set the value to 0.8 or 1. Then we'll drop the value to noise. First we need to change the type of the noise to Berlin 4D and then drop the value to scale. Then we'll add a noise and then we'll add a null. So now we want the texture, so we'll have to drop the null to the color map and not bump map. So drag and drop. Also we'll have to enable a height map and drag and drop the null to height map. So now our sphere has a texture. Next we see an error here. It shows this mat is normal mapping, but the soft being used does not have tangent attributes. So we'll need to enable tangents in attribute create, compute tangents. So now we have a pulsating sphere and we'll add some color to it. Now we'll add in transform. And then a null. So here we have a pulsating sphere. We need to make it look more like a sphere, so reduce radius. And also increase the period of our noise. As you can see, you can also increase or decrease the roughness. And we can add a rotate to our noise. So here we have our pulsating sphere.